In this video we are going to see the simulation of light detection with alarm sound using 8051 microcontroller. Here we have 8051 microcontroller 8089C52. This is the logic state coming from the sensor, light sensor. This will change the logic, from the light sensor detection, it will change high to low, low to high. This is the input to the microcontroller. At the output we have buzzer here, which driving from 39th pin of the microcontroller, and here we have 16 by 2 LCD, which data pins are going to the port 2 of the microcontroller, and the control pins RS, RW, enable are going to P3.7, P3.6, P3.5 of the microcontroller. Now I'm going to dump the code into the microcontroller. This is our hex file. It's okay now. Now let's simulate this. Now see, this is the, now LCD is showing light sensor, light no bright, buzzer is in off condition due to the input is high. When input changes from high to low, the buzzer will sound, the display will change. Now buzzer is sounding and light is bright is displaying.